Hello, my name is Ross and I'm going to speak about the history of the models of the universe. One of the longest standing models was Aristotle's in the 4th century BC. In this model, the Earth was stationary and was at the centre of the universe. Planets travelled in concentric spheres and stars moved on a dome called the firmament. However, this model could not account for the strange backwards motion that Mars sometimes exhibited. In about 100 AD, Ptolemy improved on Aristotle's model by adding epicycles to explain the strange motion of Mars in particular. Copernicus proposed his groundbreaking model in the 16th century. This model was heliocentric, with the moon going around the Earth. His model still used epicycles to describe strange motion. In the early 17th century, Kepler proposed his laws of planetary motion, which were: the orbit of every planet is an ellipse, with the Sun at one of the two foci. A line joining a planet and the Sun sweeps out equal areas during equal intervals of time, and the square of the orbital period of a planet is directly proportional to the cube of the semi-major axis of its orbit. In 1687, Newton proposed his law of universal gravitation. This suggested that the celestial objects should all be attracted to each other, implying that the universe would end in a big crunch. Einstein's 1916 general theory of relativity predicted an expanding or contracting universe. However, Einstein introduced a cosmological constant which maintained a static universe, something that he would later call his biggest blunder of his lifetime, as Hubble pointed out that his original theory was correct. In 1925, the first external galaxies were discovered, and in 1929, Hubble's law suggested the Big Bang. The universe, although expanding, was expected to be slowing down, but in the late 1990s, the universe expansion was observed to be accelerating. Dark energy may one day give humanity an answer for this peculiar behaviour. Currently, the estimated size of the observable universe today is a radius of 47 billion light years. Thank you for listening.